It has been a great blessing to welcome Global Day of Prayer to Denmark. Denmark is the old Viking nation that was Christianed 1,000 years ago. A nation of bicycles, water, wind, ferries, islands, beaches, and treasures from way back. It also is a nation where 64% of the population say they believe in God, 46% say they pray every day, 23% say yes, Jesus is the Son of God, but only 2% goes to church. Religion is indeed a private matter in Denmark. The harvest is full, said Jesus, but the workers are few. This is a people who takes the full joy of every day. Content and comfort are keywords. Global Day of Prayer have gathered Christians at the marketplace and ignited a new movement of prayer in Denmark.